folks. So today I'm trying the viral Greek yogurt Biscoff cheesecake hack. Okay, the idea is you're going to turn this with this and make it into cheesecake. So with that being said, let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is I'm going to take some of my Greek yogurt into another container. Why? Because this is too big. I'm going to really want to fight with that, I have the plain one here and I also have the honey vanilla one. So I might just try to layer them, mix them in, just so that I get a little bit of, because the plain one have no sugar. This one have a little bit of sugar. So I'm just going to mix them and then add the Biscoff. Let's go. All right, so I'm just taking some of my cheesecake, the plain one, putting that first, like so, like so. I put my yogurt, sorry. Putting my yogurt down like so. Then I'm using the honey one. I'm making a layer. I'm layering it, baby. Layer. So you simply want to then take your Biscoff cookies and just push them down into your yogurt like so. Make sure that your container is sufficient to hold them and it can close properly. So I had to break off little pieces of mine. But this is all that goes into it. And after that, you want to take a little bit of cinnamon. That's up to you. The cinnamon is optional, but I like cinnamon because it helps with, blood pressure issues, blood sugar issues. So I put some cinnamon on top and that's it. That's your first example of a cheesecake, all right? And of course, you just want to put this in the fridge for a little bit. Here we are layering another set because the wife is a showing the fair one special. So I just put in some of the yogurt and I'm adding in my cinnamon at this time.
Adding strawberry slices. Just poking them in like where you're poking the Biscoff.
Or you can mix them in, You can just swirl them in. You want to just throw them in, and then we'll just swirl this. All right, like so. And we'll just swirl it in. See, now you get a nice swirl of the cinnamon too. Nice. So we're doing strawberry cheesecake with this one. And then you're gonna add your Biscoff. She's looking on the teeth. Oh. You wanna crush one ginger cookie in it? Just crush up a ginger snap cookie. And then you just lock it down like so. And you have strawberry cheesecake. 2 hours in the fridge or overnight, and we'll see the results. Let's go. So it has been the next day, and we are ready to look at our Greek yogurt Greek yogurt cheesecake. You understand? So without further ado, let me open this one. Remember, we have two different style. We have the regular and we have the strawberry. Whoa, wow! So it is much more dense than it was before, and the Biscoff is now broken down. And the strawberry, let me get a look at the strawberry. The strawberry is right there. The texture is like cheesecake, but not tell no lie. Now it's time for the taste test. So here we go. Oh wow. Wow. Guys, this a 10 out of 10. This win. No man, it tastes like cheesecake. It tastes like cheesecake, but not tell no lie. And it's way healthier. I mean, Greek yogurt, no sugar added. We use the vanilla one, the plain one, sorry, and the honey vanilla one. Let me show you the next one, and we look on the one, the other one. Let's go. This is the original one that I made, yeah, and this was the strawberry one that the wifey made. Yeah, let's go into this one. Whoa, guys, the texture is what catch me, and the Biscoff just coming like a crust. Next time we might probably can put the Biscoff at the bottom of the bowl and then put the yogurt on the top, and we'll see how that works. All right, let me try that one, Oh, wow. This is a winner. This is a winner, guys. If you have some whipped cream, if you have some honey, you could have drizzle over the top, spruce it up, nice it up, it win. Me not tell a lie. Yeah, me go try some more of these hacks, these viral hacks, and give you the result in an hour. you know, our expressions, kind of the different expressions, them sort of, you know. But yeah, me like it, guys. Me like it. Just try it. Try it. It go, yeah, you're gonna like it. Try it. Like, look on it. It look like cheesecake and it tastes like cheesecake. Trust me, it's a winner. Yard Belly TV. Follow it for more. Yes, man. Remember me tell you.